Hello everybody, my name is John Carno and I will be telling you about my student learning outcomes about content management. As I gain all my knowledge about Joy Junction and the staff members, they provided me help with my project tremendously. The way I approached this was by asking why sports wasn't a priority in the Joy Junction homeless shelter. The reason why I asked them is because I wanted to see what their thoughts were on how maybe sports isn't a thing that they want to provide to the homeless kids or teens in their program. So the staff member I spoke to was giving me data and how many food and supplies that they provided in the past 5 years and why they were so successful in those years. So as I went through my project, I made sure to get into depth on how sports will help them in impactful ways. Ways like the sporting goods companies, like providing them money or even equipment. Um, they also could advertise in stores because as you go to like a cash register, there's always something like um, give your change to this homeless shelter, or anyways. Also, the website helped me in multiple ways because it showed what their cause was and what they were trying to accomplish in the program. They always phrase how they want to give the homeless people hope. Hope was their main goal, to give these people that never really had anything but themselves in their lives, so it will help them be successful in the future. The way that the chapters of this project impacted my overall grade is a lot because it showed me different ways to approach the assignment. And at first, I didn't really get what the assignment was trying to tell me, but as I read the chapters, it showed me the ways that I could approach it and show what my issue was. Thank you.